Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I'm bringing you a project from Country Craft Creations, which I am a design team member of. And this project is a page kit from Simple Stories. So I don't know if you scrapbook in 12 by 12, but if you do or if you need to, this is a quick and easy way of putting together some pages. The other thing about this is if you need to do 12 by 12 pages and you already scrapbook, it's fast, it's fun, it goes together really well. And Simple Stories also has a collection to match this. I think it's called Hello Together. I'll have to look it up. It's Hello Today. And if you were to make a gift for someone, say you were going to make a scrapbook for them, this is a great way to get into the making the kits. Another thing is, a little while ago, I was asked to, it was during the days of COVID where you couldn't go anywhere, and for a baby shower, they asked everyone to make a set of 12 by 12 pages for the mom to put together. If you ever have to do anything like that, or if you want to organize something like that, you just give everyone a theme and then they can put pages together on their own. So if it were me and I needed to do 12 by 12, I would definitely grab this page kit. And the last thing I'll tell you about this is it's a great jump starter. I mean, if you do scrapbook 12 by 12 and you just haven't done it for a little while and you're trying to get back into it, grab one of these page kits and that will help you. So what I'm going to do is show you how quick it goes together, and I'm going to put together these two corresponding pages. I'm going to do it exactly as the directions say, just so you can see how simple and easy it is. Well, let me show you the directions. Well, first of all, they're a color photo again. So besides that, with really easy step-by-step left page, right page, everything. So I am going to start with the left page and go step by step and show you how easy it is. So it says place the background sheet, tells you how to place it. Add the robin's egg grid. I'll have to get out my piles because I already pulled them apart. Add the robin's egg grid with the red border vertically to the left side of the teal. So I guess they want you to put it here. And even if it's not exactly how they want it, it's still going to look good just because all the colors coordinate. And I think that's the hardest thing of doing scrapbook pages sometimes, is trying to get everything to coordinate. Okay, and now it says add the yellow floral stripe above the red border at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to have some of the red showing. I'm just trying to make it straight, that's all. Add the shorter rainbow, there was 2 rainbow stripes, above the red border at the bottom of the page. Okay. So it goes to the end, above the red border, okay. Well, that's nice. I can see now how it'll pull all the colors in together. Add the die cut numbers in a column to the, I'll put this here so maybe you can see it, to the robin's egg dot grid strip as shown. So let's grab the numbers. Okay, one starts here. 2 goes a little there. Guess I should start with the 5, huh? 3. Just because it looks like some numbers are under other ones. This goes closer here. But that's okay. No harm, no foul. I mean, really, if it wasn't exactly as shown, would A, anyone notice it? And B, it wouldn't really affect the total composition. And I'll put 5, and I'm covering up the edge of that rainbow stripe. Add a floral piece to the right edge of the number 1. So here's a pretty floral piece. Again, that sort of pulls all the colors together. Add the large red and medium green chipboard heart to the left of the number 4 die cut. Large red, medium green. Oh, it's not in the picture. To the left of the number 4, but we're going to put it in the picture. There we go. You know what else is good about this? If you were to go on vacation and you wanted to bring something but didn't want to bring a lot, or to give as a gift to a teenager or somebody who's doing it and is not that confident. Add 2 horizontal photos in a column to the large pink. Okay, here's the large pink, and I don't have photos, but I did cut out some paper to add the photos to. So they want this, I guess, to be centered to some extent, and I will add my photos. So far so good. I'm liking it. How about you? Add the orange polka dot banner. The orange polka dot banner. That's this one in the center. Oh, that's nice. Like that. Add the green telephone piece to the right side. And the everyday. Oh, so you put the pictures on, and then you have this sort of overlapping the pictures. That's pretty nice. I like that. And the everyday word, add the chipboard good vibes to the top left corner of the small photo. Here's the chipboard that says good vibes. And add the small banner piece, which I know I just had. Here we are. To the right of the Good Vibes banner. Well, how do you like that? That was pretty easy. All right, let's do another one. This was fun. So we're going to do the corresponding one. So, place the background sheet with the red border at the bottom of the page. Perfect. Add the longer rainbow stripe above the red border at the bottom of the page. Come on. Oh, I guess they wanted that centered, not centered. Left justified. There we go. Add the orange polka dot strip vertically to the page along the right. Okay, they want this here. Yeah, the hardest thing for me is lining it up straight. Add the green My Story and the white floral chipboard. No. Oh, we want these. So these are two little circles that are going to go here, my story, and the chipboard circle up there. So I'm learning things as I do this. Number one, when you're putting elements, if you overlap two colors, it sort of pulls them together. Anyhow, add two 4x4 square photos in a row with 3/4 inch down from the top edge of the teal pattern. From the top edge of the teal pattern. So are they wanting it here? I'm not sure, but I'm going to put all the photos down now. I think they wanted it over a little more and down a little more. Well, again, I mean, really, should I stress with doing it exactly how they say? I'm doing it that way just to show you how easy it is. But when you get it, you can make it your own. Add the red just here for the moment tab piece. That was this one. And I already put a little thing, and that goes there just here for the moment. That's cute. Add another photo. Add the clipboard journal block piece. Clipboard journal block piece. Ooh. At a right angle. Overlapping the bottom edge of the photo. Add the yellow chipboard typewriter. Isn't that adorable? To the right of the journal block. So we're overlapping that a little bit. Add the floral piece under the edge of the yellow typewriter. Okay, and add the chipboard pen. Voila! Add large red, medium orange, and medium pink chipboard hearts above the typewriter. Well, isn't that cute? And there we go. Voila. How long did that take? That was fabulous. Let's get the other one out. That is just fabulous. Quick and easy and oh so cute. I really like it. I'm going to do the other pages and come back and show you what they look like when it's all together. I'll be right back. And here is the second set of pages from the Happy Together page kit. This went together much faster. I think it's just because I was used to doing it, so I would do it all together. Fabulous thing is there are extra pieces, which is really cool because, you know, if you didn't want to say Happy Together, you could do Embrace Today or Fabulous, which is one of my favorite words. And there's other journaling cards and just different elements to add to it, which I think is great. You can make it your own. And you can make it your own by adding maybe brads, maybe inking the edges, just putting it together in a totally different way. So again, this is a great 12 by 12 kit if you need to put together some pages really fast, if you're not used to doing the 12 by 12 scrapbooking, or if you've done it and you're just trying to get back into the swing of things and trying to put some fabulous pages together. So that is what I have for you today. This, of course, can be purchased at Country Craft Creations. I will put the link in the description box below. And thanks so much for checking this out. Have a fabulous day.